Instead of using the match method, you can use the test method of our regular expression to test if a string matches the pattern. Unlike the match method, the test method returns a Boolean value, meaning it's either only true or false, indicating whether or not the string matches the pattern. It says to update our spam function, okay, to use the test method of help regex to test to test if the MSG is a match. So we can do that by deleting this first, and it says use the test method of a help regex. So before that, we have to call the help regex first, and then interpolate the method, which would be the test, and input the MSG. Nice.